With ChatGPT-4 integration, human-like memory, and dynamic emotional expressions, this little guy doesn't just turn your phone into a robot, it turns it into a companion. So this is Looi, and today I'm going to be showing you why it's one of the most entertaining assistants that I've ever tested. And while you're watching, let me know in the comments which feature of Looi would you use the most, the conversations, the games, or just having him as a desk companion. So what exactly is Looi? At first glance, it looks like a cute little phone dock, but the moment you clip your phone on, your screen lights up with the eyes and suddenly your phone has a personality. Now, it's not just ChatGPT in a shell. Looi is expressive, emotional and playful, and even a little bit unpredictable. He moves, reacts, plays games, follows you with the camera, and even remembers details about you. He recognizes your face, he picks up on habits, and he brings them up in future conversations as well. And because Looi uses your phone's hardware, you also get practical features like obstacle detection so he doesn't fall off your desk, you've got a wireless charger built in, and you even get a custom desktop clock. First setup couldn't be easier. You download the app, clip your phone on magnetically, or use the included ring if your smartphone doesn't support MagSafe. Then straight away these eyes appear and you've got a little AI robot staring back at you waiting to chat. So this is where Looi feels a little bit different from a normal assistant. With ChatGPT-4 built in, conversations actually flow. You can say, "Hey Looi," and dive into a proper back and forth conversation, but unlike a normal chatbot, Looi also reacts emotionally. So if you poke him too much, he's going to get annoyed. If you stroke him, he's going to relax. And even if you do something like slam a glass nearby, he's going to jump back in fear. And it's genuinely like having a digital pet crossed with a personal assistant.
Hey Looi, how are you today?
I'm feeling fantastic today. The sun is shining and I'm ready for some fun. What's up on your end?
Not much, just sat here bored.
Sounds like it's time for some fun. Want to hear a joke or play a game with me?
Yeah, sure, tell me a joke.
You got it. Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything. Haha.
What about a game then?
Sounds awesome. How about playing Looi Crush or Looi Jump? Let's have some fun.
And what really caught me off guard was how interactive he can be. When I was drinking, Looi lifted up a cup and joined me. When I was eating, he asked what I had and pretended to eat too. If I ignored him, he kept himself busy exploring and showing random animations, or even asking me questions to get some attention back. And while all that personality is fun, he's also surprisingly aware of his surroundings. Looi gently senses the world around him, he sees, he hears, and even reads gestures with quiet intelligence. Edges and obstacles are also detected for safe and natural movement, so he can roam around freely on your desk without the worry he's going to take a dive off it. So when Loi's roaming around, if he gets bored, he's definitely going to let you know, and sometimes it can feel like Looi is the one demanding attention instead of the other way round. When I left him on his own, instead of just sitting there, he started exploring on his own. His eyes were moving around, we had little animations playing, and he even asked me random questions to get my attention back. The games were a surprise too. There's Looi Crush, where you move your head to break the blocks, Looi Jump, where you bounce higher and higher, dodging all these different obstacles, and my personal favorite, RC Looi, where you detach your phone and use it as a controller to drive him around like a little RC car. Now, I actually found myself laughing for the first time I played Looi Crush because it is much harder than it looks, and honestly, having Looi encourage you just makes it feel a little bit more than just a gaming gimmick. Now, as I said, his emotions also really show through. Sometimes he can even get moody. If you ask him to take too many photos, he might actually refuse if you've asked too many times before. But that's kind of the point here, and he's not just a lifeless tool, he's a robot with emotion. And the more you interact with him, the more he feels like a companion. Now, he remembers conversations and he can recall things that you've told him in the past, and he even tries to cheer you up if you're having a bad day. Sometimes just by talking, and sometimes by suggesting you play a game. Now, one of the most interesting features is his dreams. Looi has random dreams that he shares with you. It's basically little fragments of a backstory that you can piece together over time, and it also adds a sense of mystery, and he's got his own hidden world running in the background, and you learn more about this every day the more you use and play with him. There's a lot more tucked away in the menu as well. You can put him in stay mode, you can let him explore, or use the camera mode and he's actually going to follow you while filming a video. He even recognizes multiple users, so if your family or friends use Looi, he's also going to remember their names and conversations separately. And it's not just about fun, Looi has some genuinely practical features too. While he's roaming around, he uses obstacle avoidance and edge detection, so he's not going to bump into things, break anything, or fall off your desk. And of course, while all this is happening, your phone is charging on its 10-watt wireless pad, and inside Looi himself, there's also a huge 6,000 mAh battery, which means he can run for hours without constantly needing to be plugged in. Now, I've had full days of use with him on and off, and he's still going strong, which makes him very practical as a desk companion. Now, unboxing couldn't be simpler. Inside the package, you'll find Looi itself, a USB cable, and that's all you need to get started. In terms of price, you can grab one from Tangible Future right now for $160, down from $189. I've left the link down in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out now. But after spending some time with Looi, I can honestly say he's surprised me. He's not just another smart assistant, he feels alive whether he's chatting with you, or playing games, or just wandering around exploring. So if you had Looi on your desk, would you use him for productivity, games, or just as a fun companion? Let me know in the comments and I'll be replying to as many as I can. And of course, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with the latest tech.